Making me feel weird over here, Joe. Making me feel weird. 2 boxes of 5-star baseball 2014. This is the first 2-box break of this that we're running. Good luck. Box 1. Thomas, get your ass over here. Come here. Lay down. I'm not leaving right now. Not in the middle of this break. Got a redemption on the back. Last time I had a redemption on the back, it was a Logo Man autograph of Michael Kadire. I don't know what this is going to be. But anyway, first up, for the Cardinals, number to 299, Lou Brock. 259 to 299, going to Nick Nolte and the Cardinals. That's Nick. Lou Brock. For the Blue Jays, Aaron Sanchez to 499. That's for Poozilla. Aaron Sanchez. Second break in a row we've seen this guy now. 48 of 399, Jose Canseco for Audi Tech and the Athletics. PEDs. For the Dodgers, TC814, Alex Guerrero rookie auto. There he is, Andrew. There he is. You got TC814. We got an Andre Dawson, 31 of 149 for the Expos and Nationals. King Salahi on the board. And let's see what the redemption is, guys. Here we go. Congrats, King Salahi on the Hawk. 5-star dual signature patch book. Oh, shite. Joey Votto, that's Reds, Alec N, and Miguel Cabrera, Detroit Tigers, K-Rath 50. Votto and Cabrera, MVPs. Dual patch auto, very nice. Reds and Tigers, Alec N and K-Rath. Nice hit. All right, box 2. A case hit, probably. Patch auto book. Usually get a box hit. There's like a box hit in every box. Two boxes out of the case usually have an auto number to 25 or less. Then one has the legend relic or like a Letterman or some kind of crazy relic card. And then the last one have a patch auto. So that's probably going to be considered the patch auto. Usually some kind of box hit. Yeah. All right. Andrelton Simmons for the Braves. So $4.99. Going to J Rich 23. 348 of $4.99. Number to 299, Max Scherzer, Detroit Tigers, K-Rath. Cameron does not want to focus on these things right away. Got to do all kinds of forward and backward motion. Chris Owings, the $4.99 rookie for the Diamondbacks, C. Finney. And the D-backs, CO. Number to 399, Hall of Famer Jim Rice. Jim Rice. Boston Red Sox Griffey Man. Here's your Legend Relic box right here. Legend Relics are only numbered to 25 max. This is a nice one, of course, for Tasty814 and the Dodgers. Jackie Robinson, number 3 of 25. That piece, Doyers. And 25, Jackie Robinson. Tasty814. And for those Astros, Andrew got a hit with the Stros. George Springer, numbered 44 out of 50. Golden Graphs rookie auto. George Springer. That is our 2-box break of 5-star, guys. I know Alec N was in the room earlier. Alec, let me know if you're still here. Card like this, don't know. I'd like to talk to both you guys first. Cody is not here. Cody Rath is not in the room. At least I'll give you his email if you like, Alec. You guys could talk about this card. I'm not just going to automatically random that one. Thanks, everybody, for joining. Congratulations if you got a hit, guys. Peace.